I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a very beautiful tree. First, selecting the right tree is crucial for its long-term beauty and health. Consider your local climate zone and soil type to ensure the species thrives. Think about the tree's mature height and spread to avoid future issues with structures or power lines. Always choose a specimen with vibrant foliage, intact bark, and a well-formed root system from a trusted nursery. This initial step lays the foundation for a truly magnificent tree. Once you have chosen your perfect tree, proper planting is the next vital step. Dig a hole that is 2 to 3 times wider than the root ball, but only as deep as the root ball itself. This allows roots to spread easily. Make sure the root flare, where the trunk widens at the base, is visible and at ground level. Gently untangle any circling roots. Backfill the hole with the original soil, tamping lightly to remove air pockets, and then water deeply to settle the soil. Pruning is essential for both the tree's health and its aesthetic appeal. For young trees, focus on establishing a strong central leader and well-spaced scaffold branches. Always remove any dead, diseased, or damaged branches as soon as you notice them. When making cuts, ensure they are clean and precise, just outside the branch collar, to encourage quick healing. An open canopy allows for better air circulation and sunlight, which are vital for preventing disease and promoting vigorous growth. Ongoing care ensures your tree remains beautiful for many years. Water deeply and consistently, especially during dry spells, ensuring the entire root zone receives moisture. Apply a 2 to 4 inch layer of organic mulch around the base, keeping it a few inches away from the trunk, to retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Regularly inspect your tree for any signs of pests or diseases, addressing them promptly. Fertilize only if a soil test indicates a deficiency, as over-fertilization can be harmful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.